Hi guys, welcome to the fifth video of the Smart Map in Python tutorial series. Now, in the previous video, we installed Python Django in a virtual environment. We installed Python 3 pip, we installed some essential development tools for Python, and then we installed Python 3 venv, which then allowed us to create our virtual environment. And within our virtual environment, we installed a Django toolbelt and we generated a requirements.txt file, which included all our Django dependencies for this project at this stage. In this video, we'll be looking at installing and configuring our IDE. So the IDE that we're going to be using is Atom. Okay, so as you can see, I have the Firefox browser open before me, so I'm going to search for Atom. Okay, and then we click on the first link. Okay, so because I'm using Linux by default, you will see the Linux label here and the two packages that you can install. So because I'm using the Debian distribution of Linux, I'll download the .deb package. Okay, and then you'll see this pop up, and then you have to click on save file. So I've already done this to save some time in this video. So the file will be located in my downloads folder. Okay, there it is, and then you double click on this file. So it will open Ubuntu Software Center, and then it will give you the option of installing it this way. Okay, so then you click on install and then wait for it to install. Like I said, I've already done this. Okay, and after it has installed successfully, then we're going to click on the menu and then we're going to open Atom. Okay. Okay, so our Atom IDE is open. So now what we're going to do next is we're going to install some packages that we're going to need for our development. So go to install a package right here, click on that and then open installer. Once the installer is open, we're going to search for the first package called Python autocomplete. So we're just going to type in Python in the search text box, and then press enter. Okay, so it will be this option right here, autocomplete Python. Then click on install. Now I'm wondering if I shouldn't have installed this previously to save some time, but hopefully it doesn't take too long. Okay, so that package is installed successfully. The next package that we're going to search for is called term 3. So this is our integrated terminal. Um, so the reason why we're installing this is so that we don't have to um, minimize Atom and go and use our, our standard integrated terminal um, to navigate between our operating system and the Atom IDE is going to be it's going to be a bit irritating. So it's better to have everything inside of Atom, so we don't have to move in and out of the IDE. Okay, so click on install. Make sure it's term 3. Okay, so that's installed, and the next and final package for now that we're going to install is called Activate Power Mode. So this doesn't help in any way, but it just looks cool. Okay, so we search for that. You'll see what I'm talking about. I'll show you. Okay, here it is. So we install that. So I might be running out of time in this video, and if so, then I'll make a second part as a continuation of this one.